السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. یا ربی لک الحمد کما ینبغی لجلال وجهک وعظیم سلطانک. اللہم ربنا لک الحمد بما خلقتنا ورزقتنا وہدیتنا وفرجت عنا. اللہم لک الحمد بالاسلام ولک الحمد بالایمان ولک الحمد بالقرآن. اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. رب اشرح لی صدری ویسر لی امری واحلل عقدۃ من لسانی یفقہوا قولی. ربنا زدنا علما. اللہم فقہنا فی الدین. اللہم حاسبنا حسابا یسیرا. اللہم ثبتنا عند الموت بلا الہ الا اللہ. ربی یسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخیر. اللہم اجعل عملنا کلہ صالحا واجعلہ لوجہک خالصا ولا تجعل لأحد فیہ شیئا. آمین یا رب العالمین. So last class we were talking about these anwaul damair. So who can repeat how many different kinds of damair and how we are going to recognize and what status they can have? Go ahead, Reshma.
There are two kinds of damair baris and damair mustaqil. Damair mustaqil are those damair which we cannot visible in the word. They are hidden inside the word. These are actually within the fair. And damair baris are those damair which we can see. These are further two types. Damair munfasil, damair muttasil. Damair munfasil are those damair which are independent. They are in both status, in Rafa and Mansur. And damair
when they can be
Rafa. When they are Mubtada.
Example. You are saying munfasil, right? Munfasil one.
Yeah, munfasil.
Okay.
Independent.
So they can be Rafa and they can be
Mansur.
Okay, so Rafa you already said, and when they can be Mansub?
Yeah. Mansub, when they are attached with the Iya, they come as a khabar. They are just like in a Iyaka na'budu wa Iyaka nasta'in. When the maf'ul comes before the
and yes, and it always gonna happen with the fail.
Fail.
Okay, so next, that means they are going to be maf'ul. And most likely maf'ul. Yeah. Okay. Then the muttasil one.
Muttasil, they are in three different states. We can see in three. Rafa, Mansub, and Jar. Marfu are those which always comes with the fail. Exceptions are there. In Madi, they are also in three fails. Madi, Mudariya, and Amr. In Madi, except Huwa and Hiya, they are baris. And in Mudariya, except Huwa, Hiya, Anta, Ana, and Nahnu. All are remaining, all are marfu, baris marfu. And in Amr, except Anta, remaining Antuma, Antum, Anti, Antuma, Antunna are baris munfasil marfu. Perfect. Muttasil marfu. And mansub or majroor are those which comes with the ism, and they are maf'ul are attached with the harf jar. And there are also attached pronouns like who, ha, whom.
Ha, huma, whom, right?
Ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna, and ya and na.
Perfect.
Ya mutakallim. That's all is better.
Perfect. Barakallah
Done.
feek. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, you memorized it well. I hope you were saying out of your memory.
No,
So,
sir, I am in other classes also, so I am just adjusting. In
MashaAllah.
grammar class, I will come in the weekends. The
MashaAllah.
work will be done in the weekends, inshallah.
MashaAllah. So this is the chart. Everyone should memorize it by heart. Okay, so you guys should know that all well, because you know how many pronoun you can find in the Quran Pak, right? No ayah, right? You're gonna find without a pronoun, hardly, right? So that's why this is really important that we should know, and you guys need to put some effort that you are going to memorize it well with one example at least, one example of each. Okay. Okay, so I see any question, any problem in this slide regarding all these pronouns?
No.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So now moving on, there is another way to say all these things. So they put it over here. So anyway, okay, now let's see iya. So we said that damir, baris, munfasil can be mansoob, right? And that was quite new for us. And we said that whenever iya gonna come with all these 14 pronouns, which are attached pronoun, so with the iya, they can come before the fail. So iyyaka na'budu, actually it could be na'buduka, right? But with the help of iya, it become iyyaka na'budu, and that happened for a hasr, for exclusivity. So that's why it is happening. So that can happen with any pronoun, any attached pronoun with it. So all 14 pronoun, it can be with it, and we saw some example in Quran Pak as well. You're gonna find iyahu, you're gonna find iyaka, and even iyakum, iyana, iyaya. So all you're gonna find in Quran Pak. Okay, so then we talk about alifu farika, right? So alifu farika, we said we can find it in Madi, in hum version, amarantum version, right? But in Mudaria, when noon is dropped, so you're gonna find alif written with it, because when noon is dropped, then there is wawu, wow of jama over there left. For example, when we say yadhhabuna, and now we are making it majzoom or mansoob. So if we put in over here, right, what's gonna happen? We have to drop this noon. When we drop this noon, then you might gonna find alif written with it. So now again, this waw is what? Wawul jama. And since no more noon is there, so this alif is basically alifu farika. So what is the purpose of alifu farika? The purpose of alifu farika is telling us that I am wawul jama, I am not part of the root letter. I am not wawul asliya, right? So this waw is not wawul asliya. So that's why alifu farika gonna come when we do not have noon, when noon is dropped. Make sense? Jazakallah khair, Reshma, for bringing that up. Okay,
I
so
have
now,
one question, Ustaza.
sorry?
I have a question. For the Domair Mustatir, this book, they again discuss about Domair, lesson number 2.4, I believe. But they're saying Mustamil, Mustatir, they said they are always Muttasil and status is fi mahali rafa. So should we need to, they are always Muttasil and status fi mahali rafa for the
Yeah.
domain Mustatir. So we have to mention that too, right?
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now Damir, Bariz, Muttasil, yet Marfu example. So Damir is Bariz, we can see it, right? And it is Muttasil and it is Marfu. We used to say that Muttasil pronoun are either going to be Nasab or Jar. So this is new for us, right? That we are saying that Damir Muttasil can be Marfu and it's gonna happen only with Af'al. Because whatever pronoun are inbuilt in the verbs, basically they are Damir Muttasil, right? So you guys notice that they did not put Huwa and Hiya over here. Why? Because they are not Damir Baris, they are Damir Mustatir, so that's why they did not mention over here. So they are starting with Huma, right? So in Huma, Ar-Rajulani Zahaba. First of all, what is the translation? What is the translation? Ar-Rajulani Zahaba. And what
The two men went.
2 men left.
2 men left. Now, how we are going to label that? What kind of sentence it is?
Ismiya.
Jumla
Jumla
ismiya
ismiya khabriya.
khabariyat.
Very good. Jumla
Khabariyat.
ismiya khabriya. And if it is jumla ismiya, so what are the components here?
Mubtada and khabar.
Very good. So Ar-Rajulani is my mubtada,
Mubtada.
right? And Zahaba, jumla khabriya, is my khabar. Sorry, jumla failure is my khabar, right?
Yeah.
Jumla failure is my khabar. And mubtada khabar should match in number and gender. Are they matching?
Yes.
Yes.
Dual.
Exactly. So
And
Rajulani is dual and Zahaba is dual. What is the sign that they are dual?
Alif.
Ani.
Alif Unsayan.
Ani.
Alifu Isnain. What is the name of this alif?
Alif
Isnain.
Isnain.
Yes. Alifu Isnain. Aliful Isnain. Only Alifu Isnain is the sign that I am dual. Okay, I am Musanna. What is the term for dual? Musanna. Okay, so this alif is telling us that I am Musanna. Why not Noon? We used to say Ani.
Marfu. That's the marfu. It's showing marfu.
Exactly. So Noon is the sign, because when we are going to make this mudaf, what's gonna happen? We are going to drop Noon.
Drop Noon.
So in that case, how are we gonna say this is dual or Rafa?
Aliful Isnain.
Alifu Isnain. So Alifu Isnain, one thing it is telling that I am Musanna. What is the other thing it is telling?
I am Marfu.
Exactly. I am Marfu, right? Mehreen?
Gigi.
If it is Nasab or Jar, what gonna be its sign then?
Rajulai.
I.
Yeah.
Yeah, the I, right? Yeah. If it's
Right.
Ani, Aini,
So,
Aini.
exactly. So Musli, Mani,
Yeah.
Musli,
Mai.
Maini, okay. So in Muslimani, so this alif is the sign for this alif over here, right?
Yeah.
This is the sign. This is telling me that I am Musanna. One thing.
And I'm
What is
Rafa.
that? and I am marfu.
Marfu. Yeah.
So in Muslimaini, what is telling me that I'm a musanna?
I sound.
No,
Ata.
only ya you gonna
Yeah,
say.
yeah,
Oh,
said
okay,
it.
I'm,
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay,
Only ya,
yes,
because again we are going to drop this noon.
yes, yeah.
When we are going to make it mudaf, we have to drop this noon to make it light.
Yeah.
So now what do we have? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, instead of ayn, we're gonna just say ya, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
ya is the sign that I am musanna.
Okay.
One thing. Second thing, I am mansoob or
Nasab
majroor.
Dual.
Mansoob or majroor.
Majroor. Okay.
Right? So this ya is telling us that I am mansoob or majroor.
Okay.
Is everyone clear?
Yes.
We know all that stuff, right? So just we are making it more precise now.
Yeah.
Right? Before we used to say the whole thing. Ani is basically telling us now we are being more precise about that.
Okay.
So the noon is telling the heaviness, right? Noonation.
Yeah, noon is telling that this
It's
word is
heavy.
basically
Heavy.
Heavy.
okay. So now, so this alif is in dhahaba. This is damir, muttasil, baris, marfu.
Yep.
How many things we are saying?
3 things.
Damir, baris, muttasil, marfu. 3 things. Okay, can I say about this alif in Rajulani that this is damir muttasil?
No.
Alif?
Is this alif over here in Rajulani? Can we say
Rajulani is an ism.
No,
It
it's
is
not.
not Ramira, Ustada.
No, fasting.
Half,
It is not
half.
domir. We can say only it's 9, but we cannot say domir, right?
yeah, this is a harf.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, in Rajulani, this alif is a harf, right? And what is the name of this harf? Alifu Isnain. And that is telling us that I am dual and I am marfu. But over here, this alif is an ism. Why? Because we are saying this is a damir and all damir are what?
Ism.
They are ism. So this alif is ism, but this alif is harf. So we need to differentiate these two alif as well.
Okay.
Right? So now this alif is over here in Zahaba. This is damir, baris, muttasil, marfu. Right? And is it showing us that it is marfu?
No.
So then we always remember that we need to say fi mahalli rafa file. Right? So this alif is a file over here. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, next one. Ar-rijalu dhahabu. Again, jumla ismiya. Right? And they are matching in number and gender, mubtada and khabar. So now ar-rijalu is broken plural and dhahabu is plural. What kind of waw is that?
It's waw al-jama.
Okay, so say the whole thing. How many things we can say about this waw?
Fi mahalli rafa.
This is damir baris muttasil marfu. Damir baris muttasil marfu.
Okay.
Damir baris muttasil marfu. These 3 things. Okay. And what is the name of this waw?
Waw al-jama.
Waw al-jama. Fi mahalli rafa. File.
Yes. Fi mahalli rafa.
And now this is over here is alifu farika.
Alifu farika, yes.
Okay.
Ustada, Sorry, the silly thing. Here, number and gender. Rijalu. Do we need to consider it singular feminine?
It's the fail in the
But
jumla.
this is a fail over here.
No, ar-rijalu.
Yeah, this is a broken plural.
Singular feminine.
Yeah.
And zahabu, over there, file is a plural, right?
But this is a broken plural for a human.
Oh, that's a whom. Okay, I got it.
Okay, so when we have human broken plural, then we have a choice. We can treat them as a regular, or we can treat them as a singular feminine. These small things.
One thing is to another thing is slipped.
That's a good revision, alhamdulillah.
Okay, then we have al-mar'atani zahabata. Right? What is the singular of mar'atani?
Mar'atun.
Imratun.
Imratun.
So
Ra'atun.
Ra'atun is the singular, right? And then imratani is the dual over here. And then we see in khabar we have zahabata. So this is huma muannas. Right? So this is muannas huma. Okay, so again, where is the file in zahabata?
That is the alif.
Alifu.
Aliful ithnain. Damir bariz muttasil marfu or muttasil fi mahli rafa fa'il.
Very good, very good. And what is the name for this alif over here?
That is that is also ithnain.
Alifu ithnain, but this one over here is harf.
This is harf, yeah.
Okay, so this is harf and this is ism.
Ism, yeah.
Okay, an-nisa'u zahabna. So where is the file in zahabna? Where is the damir muttasil marfu here?
The noon niswa.
Yes, exactly. So noon niswa is damir bariz muttasil marfu over here. Okay, so this one is clear, alhamdulillah, to everyone, right?
Yes.
All these files, right? So after zahabna, all these ta's gonna be the file. In zahabta, where is the file? Muttasil? Over here. Tuma zahabtuma, where is the file?
Tuma.
Two.
Not the whole.
Only two.
Oh.
Only two.
Only two. What is this meme and alif doing?
Meme muzakkar aliful isnain.
No, this is not muzakkar.
Meme imad.
So after hunna, all these ta is going to be the file. Damir bariz, muttasil, marfu. All these tas.
Okay.
Right? But we see some extra letters with it. What they are doing. So basically they are sometimes telling the number, or sometimes they are just coming because without them we cannot even pronounce the word. For example, in zahabtuma, we are saying this two is the file. What is this alif doing here?
Duality.
Isnain.
Musanna. Right? So alifu isnain. So this is alifu isnain. Now what is in the middle? What is this ma doing here?
Mimul imad, right?
Without, if you want to join these two and alif, how you going to join it?
Oh, okay.
We cannot.
Okay.
So this meme is basically called mimul imad. Imad, what is the imad mean?
Elongation, right?
No.
Pillar.
Imad means pillar.
Oh, pillar.
Imad. So this we say as-salatu imaduddin. So salah is the pillar of deen, right? So this meme is called mimul imad, meaning this is just a pillar. Without that, we cannot even pronounce that word. So that's why this meme come. Subhanallah, how smart they were, huh? They made it beautiful.
Pillar.
Right? So zahabtuma. So this is the breakdown of zahabtuma. So before hunna, we have two tas, right? We have one ta they didn't mention over here because it is the Damir Mustatir, right? But we know zahabat.
Oh.
Mustatir.
Right? Zahabat. Now before hunna, this ta and even the ta over here in huma, the Muannas version, we are not going to call them file. They are not the file. Rather, they have a name. Their name is why they are there, because they are showing that I am Muannas. So they are tau tanis.
Oh, okay. So
before hunna we have tau tanis, and after hunna we have ta as a file. Okay, this is for Mehreen.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so in now zahabtuma. In zahabtuma we break down. Now come to zahabtum. Now what is happening in zahabtum? Again, ta is the file.
File.
Okay, ta is the file. Damir baris muttasil marfu. Now what is this meme telling?
علامة جمع المذكر.
جمع
That is
المذكر.
Jama, right?
Jamma
Yes, this is
Jama.
jama.
Masculine plural. Yeah.
Jama li zakur. What is zakur mean?
Muzakkar.
Yes. So this jama is telling me that I am plural for male.
Okay.
Then comes anti zahabti. So this ti is a file over here.
Yeah.
Antuma, zahabtuma, same breakdown we did with other antuma. In antunna. So before in hunna we said noon niswa is the file over there.
Yeah.
But not in zahabtunna. In zahabtunna, where is the file?
Ta.
Ta. All these tas are going to be the file. And what is this noon telling me?
Feminine plural.
Jamma
جمع للمؤنث.
Very good. Same like we said, Jamal is zakur. Now we're gonna say Jama lil inas. What does inas mean?
Oh, inas.
female.
Female.
Jama.
Okay, so this is
Like
Lil inas.
feminine plural.
Lil inas. Okay.
Lil inas, yeah. Jama for inas. And then in zahabtu, this ta is the file. In zahabna, this na is the file.
Filing.
Yeah. And what do we say, ana? We say mutakallim, right? This is first person.
Yeah.
Right? So ta is file for lil mutakallim. Right? We're gonna use one singular mutakallim. But when it comes to zahabna, so we can say lil mutakallimin. Or we can say na is lil fa'ilin. Right?
Yes.
So this na is for the doers.
Oh, okay.
It's not one doer, right? It's for plural. It's jama.
So we can use either, Ustada.
Yeah, you can say either lil mutakallimin or you can say lil fa'ilin.
Okay.
You cannot say Jama again? No, right? We cannot say Jama. Like wow, we say Jama.
No,
Hojin.
no.
No. Okay.
That's better because now we are talking about first person, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's better that we stick to that term.
Yeah.
Ustada, somebody has her hand raised. iPad too.
Okay, who is that? And what is the question? You can unmute yourself and you can ask.
Assalamu alaikum, Ustaza. I am Muriam Akhtar, but my daughter's iPad it. Ustaza, Zahabna, Nahnu Zahabna. Only noon is file or na is file?
The whole na.
Whole na. Yeah.
So now this alif, we're not gonna call that this is alif isnain. Can we call it?
No.
No, right?
No.
Because we know nahnu can be many people, more than 3.
Yeah.
Right? So
Yeah.
the whole na is the file.
File. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Jazakumullahu khair.
Yeah, so damir muttasil, marfu, bariz, and the whole na is the
File.
here.
Yes.
Okay, now comes to mudariya. Okay, in mudariya, ar-rajulani yadhhabani. So they are using the same example, and now we have the fi'l mudariya with it. So in yadhhabani, where is the file?
The alif isnain.
Very good. So let's break down our fi'l mudariya. What is this first letter?
Sign of mudari.
This is sign of mudariya. How many different signs of mudariya we can see?
5.
Anita.
5.
So what is the word?
Alif, ya, nun.
Anita. Right? So all these alif, not alif, sorry, hamza, noon, ya, and ta. Hamza, noon, ya, and ta. 4. Right? So these are the sign of mudariya. Okay, then what is this za over here?
Fa kalima.
This is our fa kalima. What is this ha?
Ain kalima.
What is where is lam kalima?
Ba.
Ba is lam kalima, right?
Yeah.
Now I see something extra over here, alif. What is the job of this?
Aliful inas.
Bariz, muttasil, marfu, alifu isnain, fi mahalli rafa. Right? So you can say all these things about it. Now, what is this noon doing here?
This is showing that it's marfu.
So that is basically noonul i'rab.
Noonul i'rab. That's what it was. Okay.
Okay. Why we are calling it noonul i'rab?
Shows the status.
Showing us the status.
Marfu status.
Exactly. So by presence of it, fi'l mudariya.
Marfu.
Fi'l mudariya marfu.
Bisabuti noon.
Yeah, exactly. Subhanallah. महरीन को ये बहुत अच्छा याद है बेसबूती नून. Okay, so fi'l mudariya marfuun bisabuti noon. So the presence of noon is telling that I am Rafa. Now, how we say when we are making it mansoob or majzoom, what do we do?
Spinun.
Drop the noon.
We drop this noon, right?
Yeah.
So then what do we say?
Haspinun.
We say exactly. So we say fi'l mudariya mansoob, or it could be majzoom, right? In both way, noon is dropped. So mansoob or majzoom, bi hadfi noon. Right? So by dropping the noon or by the absence of noon tells us that fi'l mudariya either mansoob or majzoom. But the presence of noon tells that this is marfu. So that's why we can say that this noon is noonul i'rab. Right? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so now, so over here, alif was the file, damir bariz muttasil, and marfu is that alif who is name. What about yazhabuna?
Wow is the file in Waw Jama.
Exactly same, like in whom we had over here, right?
Mhm.
Right? So
Yeah.
same breakdown. Ya is the sign of mudariya. First kalma,
Zal,
second
ha.
kalma, third kalma, fa ain lam, and this waw is the file, damir muttasil, baris. This waw is the wawul jama.
Waw Jama.
Okay, and noon is
No,
noon
no.
i'rab.
Mudari.
No.
I mean, sorry, not Mudari, Marfu.
Nunul Irab.
Nunul
Nunul I'rab.
Yes,
Nunul
good,
I'rab.
mashallah. Okay, then tadhhabani, where is the file muttasil? Marfu.
Aliful Isnain.
Again, alifu isnain over here.
Yeah. Ta is just the alamat Mudari.
Exactly. Ta is sign of mudariya, right? Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima, and then our file, and then nunu irab.
Nunul I'rab. Okay, good.
Okay, so now an-nisa'u yadhhabna. So where is the file here?
Nunul Niswa.
No, Niswa.
Yeah, nunu niswa, right? We don't have anything else over here. So this
Yeah.
is sign of mudariya, fa, ain, lam, and then we have only one letter, and this is basically the file. Nunu niswa is the file, damir muttasil, baris, fi mahalli rafa. Okay, one more thing over here. How to say properly, how to label fi'l madi.
Mabni.
When we say fi'l madi, we say fi'lun madin.
Mabniyun.
Very good. Fi'lun madi, mabniyun. Now we need to explain what is the state of its being mabni.
Alal
Because
Fathati.
mabni can be in many
Alal
different
fatha.
ways.
Alal Fatha.
Where is the fatha?
Lam Kalima.
So always we are going to check lam kalima. What is the sign of lam kalima? And then we are going to say accordingly. So zahaba, this is fa, ain, and lam kalima has a fatha. So I'm gonna say fe'lun madin mabni ala fatha.
Okay.
For zahaba, mabni ala fatha, right? Mabni ala fatha, and then we can describe file. So file is damir baris muttasil marfu alifu isnain, right? And whatever else we're gonna say, right? So this is how we are going to say label fi'l madi. Okay, in fi'l now again we are in fi'l madi in zahabu. So how we gonna say Mehrin, your turn? So fi'lun madin mabniun.
Mabniun alal.
So we have fa, ain, and lam kalima having dhamma. So how we gonna say? Fi'lun madin mabniun ala dhamma.
Dammati zahira.
Yeah, ala dhammatu zahira. Even you can say, because we can see this dhamma clearly.
Okay.
Right?
And that dhamma came because of the waw, right?
Yeah. But we are saying, and this is the only siga in the whole fi'l madi where we are saying fi'lun madin mabni ala dhamma.
Dhamma.
This is the only siga. Whom is the only siga where madi gonna be mabni by dhamma.
Okay, okay. That will be فعل ماض مبني على ضمة الظاهرة.
Dammatu Zahira. Right? And then you can describe the file.
The واو الجمع is the file. Which
Yes.
is ضمير which is بارز متصل
Marfu.
مرفوع. Okay.
Or fi mahalli rafa file, whatever the way you wanna say.
We can say واو الجمع ضمير بارز متصل في محل رفع فاعل.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that was Zahabu. Now in Zahabata, how are we gonna say for fi'l madi over here?
So that will be the same. فعل ماض مبني على الفتحة.
Exactly. Right? So mabni ala fatha in iman in Zahabata. What about Zahabna?
All sukun. The rest are
That is
Mabni
واو
ala sukun.
مبني على السكون. Okay, all right.
Yes. In Zahabata, after hunna, life is easy.
yeah.
Why life is easy after hunna?
All sukun.
Yeah, so all of them are mabni ala sukun.
سكون. Okay.
So how many different way we are saying? First one we are saying mabni ala
فتحة.
fatha, even in huwa naswara, right? Even in because that is mustatir, they did not mention, right? But this is again my lam kalima having a fatha.
Yeah.
So this is mabni ala fatha. Even in naswarta, sorry, in nasarat, hiya version, mabni ala fatha.
Okay.
So how many siga are mabni ala fatha? Huwa, huma, and then hiya, and huma, the muannas version, right? That's all, these 4 sigas. So these 4 sigas are fe'lun madin mabni ala fatha. Then one siga is mabni ala dhamma. Which one?
The hum
version. Rest of them are mabni ala
sukun.
sukun. Life is easy.
Okay.
Right? So these 3 terms we need to remember in Madi. Right? Can you repeat, Mehreen? I'm keep Mehreen. Anyone else want to participate? Raksha?
Yes.
Would you like to say them?
Yes. For the fail mazi, we'll say failun madin mabni al fatah zahira, and the file would be failun zamir mustatir, and in this case it would be jawazan and taqdiruhu huwa.
Very good. And now you bring that term jawazan. So let's. I don't know if Mehreen is aware of it.
No, Ustada.
Okay, so then when we say mabni ala fatha, right?
Yeah.
And even we are able to see it, this is fathatul zahira.
Yeah.
Right? So sometimes we see that we are saying that this is jawazan, and other times we are saying wujuban. What's the difference between, first of all, jawazan mean that it has permission, it is permissible for it.
Okay.
Or it has an excuse, right? It has a reason. But wujuban mean it is must on it.
But wujuban is the same as taqdiruhu.
Wajib.
Okay.
No, it's not taqdiru.
Okay.
So now when we say huwa version, let's say madi huwa version, how we gonna say? Fe'lun madin mabni ala fathatu zahira, right? And what else?
When we describe the file.
Now file is, we are saying file is mustatir. Why we are saying file mustatir in Naswara, Mehreen?
Because it's inside.
Nasara.
Hua.
Do you see any extra letter that I can say this is the file?
No. This
I
is
have only fa
neutral.
kalima, ain kalima, and lam kalima. Nothing is extra,
Yeah.
right? So where is the file? We know that file should be inbuilt in there, but it is not showing us. So if it is not showing us, then we're gonna say file is mustatir.
Mustatir, yeah.
Now this mustatir business could be either jawazan or hujuban.
Oh, okay.
So if it is mustatir in Madi, it is mustatir only huwa and hiya version.
Yeah.
Why? Can you think why we are calling only hu and hiya version mustatir? We know you know that really well, that concept.
That was that was the one that we said taqdiruhu huwa in here, right, Ustadha?
Yeah, we say taqdiruhu, meaning that we are saying that basically it is estimated, or it is like confirmed that there is huwa in it, right? So this is what we are saying when we are saying taqdiruhu. But I'm saying what could be the reason for these two damair that we are calling them they are mustatir. Only why huwa and hiya? Why not other sigas? Think about it. What is so special about them?
So for others, we will see as extra letters, right?
So why?
All are baris, Ustaza. Baris. Others are baris.
Yes. So why we are calling them mustatir? Anyone else?
Because it can take outside doer.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, so that part, yeah, it can take outside, of course.
So huwa and hiya, they are special in a way that they can have outside doer. So that's why we say that file is mustatir jawazan.
Okay.
Oops.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. It got so excited. Allah. Okay.
Okay, so that is what jawazan is, that it gives permission for an outside doer.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So this file is mustatir, right? And it is jawazan because we can have outside doer after them. So that's why we are saying jawazan. But in fi'l madi, we're gonna have only in these two sigas. But in mudariya, we are going to add 3 more sigas into it. Can someone remind me what the 3 sigas we can add to this list?
Anta, ana,
nahnu.
Very good. So in Madi, we have only huwa and hiya. But for Mudariya, we're going to have huwa, hiya, anta, ana, and nahnu.
Okay.
But now you should ask me a question. That yes, huwa and hiya, we can have outside doer. And we are saying that they are mustatir jawazan. But for anta, let's say anta, we are doing nasara. So nasara become yansuru. What would be the anta version?
Tansuru.
Tansuru.
Yes. So now you tell me, where is the file in tansuru?
mustatir.
Anta is ta is the file.
Ta is showing that it is.
No,
Ta is alamatul mudari.
We said Anita beginning, alif, nun, ta, and ya is what?
So anta is the file then.
Same
File
thing is mustatir.
Yeah, file is always we are going to look for at the end.
At the end, yes, yeah.
Not in the beginning. Remember that.
Alamatul mudari, this one, the first one.
Okay. So never ever we're gonna call this ta as a file because the file should be at the end.
Yeah.
So now this ta is the sign of mudariya. Noon is my fa kalima. Swad is my ain, and ra is my lam kalima. Nothing is extra.
Yeah.
So this is File is mustatir.
مستتر.
مستتر.
But can we have outside doer after anta?
No.
So now then we're gonna say file mustatir and it is wujuban.
وجوبا. Okay. Okay.
It is wajib on it that it should end like that. Okay, when it is rafa, it's gonna end like that. When it is nasab or majzoom, right? So then we know that, okay, it could be tansura, right? Or it could be tansur, right?
Okay, so over here we will say wujuban anta.
تقديره أنت.
Yeah.
Okay,
Again,
تقديره.
whenever is file is mustatir, so then we can say taqdiruhu,
تقديره, yes. Okay.
right?
Yeah. Okay.
Because it's not showing us, so that's why we are bringing that term, that this is how we are going to.
So maybe file is mustatir تقديره وجوبا أنت.
Taqdiruhu anta.
وجوبا.
Yeah, wujuban.
Okay.
So jawazan wujuban we're gonna bring at the end.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Excuse me, Ustaza. Jahabna. Bamir jahabna. Noon. Here noon is Nunun Niswa. Only this is not file.
Where is you are talking about this zahabna over here?
Yeah, zahabna, yeah.
Okay, so what is the question?
My question is, what is noon?
This noon is noon niswa, right? This is the file. I said that in hunna we're gonna call this noon as a file, but in antunna we are not calling this noon as a file.
Oh.
Okay? Over here, ta is going to be the file.
File, yeah.
And this noon we are saying that this is nunu jama lil inas or lil muannas.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the difference between the both are nunu niswa, right? Both are nunu niswa, but in hunna we're gonna call it the damir muttasil, right? Marfu.
Yes.
But over here we are not calling this noon is not a file over here. Rather ta is the file.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so now comes to fi'l mudari.
Sorry. वो नून जमा का दोनों नाम आपने जो बताया उसका प्लीज एक बार रिपीटेशन कर दें.
Okay, so this noon over here, let me put
labeling bus. Noon jama and nisa.
Okay, it's over here. It's over here. So in where is hunna version? In zahabna, right? So fi'lun madin mabni ala sukun, right? So this is the fi'l madi we are going to describe, and then for the file we gonna say nunu niswa. This is one name, or nunul inas, right? And this nunun inas or nunun niswa is what? Damir muttasil, right? And this is even they are describing this damir muttasil. So nunu niswa, how it is nunu niswa is ending? With what harika? With fatha. Yeah. So that's why they are saying damir muttasil mabni ala fatha. Okay, and then they are saying fi mahalli rafa.
So mabni ala sukun nahi, sister?
No, we are over here describing about file. Mabni ala sukun, we are talking about the fail. Yes, it is fail madi mabni ala sukun. But now we are talking about
file. Yeah.
Okay. So even for the file, we can say that this is mabni ala fatha, kasra, or whatever it's gonna be. Okay, so if it is too much, so just damir muttasil fi mahalli rafa is good enough, but at least you should know that even for damir muttasil, we're gonna see what haraka is on it.
Okay.
Okay, so that was Hunna version. What was the Reshma? Sorry, my memory is very. What was your question?
लेबलिंग उस्तादा हो गया
हो गया?
लेबलिंग नून जमा निस्वा अल नून जमा अल इनास.
Yes, Nunul Jama or Nunu Inas or Nunu Niswa, whatever you wanna call. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, Sada. I have a question. In Zamir Mustatir, the hidden one. So all these five of them, all these five files, the Zamir is Mustatir, hidden Mustatir. Only two are allowed to have outside file. One, yeah, and but the rest of them we don't see it. They are built inside. What is the logic behind it? Because in Mazi we are able to see it, but not in Mudare. And they are not. And they are not allowed to have outside file, except Hua and here.
Yeah, so that's why we're gonna use the term wujuban and jawazan, right? So this is how it is. I don't know what is the reason behind, right? So, but you know, Fi'l Mudariya, they have divided into 3, right?
Yes.
One is all ending on Dhamma.
Yes.
Right? So, the one who are all ending with Dhamma, their Damir is Mustatir.
Mustatir, yes.
Right? But only 2 of them can take outside doer.
Yes.
So whoever is taking outside doer, we are saying that they are Mustatir, Jawazan.
Jawazan, okay.
The other 3, we are saying that they are, yes, Mustatir, but it is Wujuban. So this is how it should look like.
Okay.
And also, I think, Sister Asima, if you differentiate Madi and Mudari, both case your Hua and here is Jawazan. And for Anta, Anti Ujuban. But only difference is in Madi, you can see the file baris.
Yes.
Mudari, you cannot see the
file here.
Yeah, this is hidden.
Yeah, in Mudare, you cannot see the file.
Yeah.
In all these 3 of them.
Yeah, this is only hidden. That's the only difference. But both cases same. Hua here Jawazan, Anta, Anti Ujuban.
Okay, in Madi and Mudare. Okay.
Yeah.
Ujuban. Okay.
Yeah, even in Madi, when we are saying that file is Mustatir, right?
Yes.
So in like in Madi, only Hua and Hiya is Mustatir, right?
Yes.
And we know that they can have outside doer, so we are easily saying that, okay, they are Mustatir, and there is a reason for it. This is Jawazan. But the problem is with Fi'l Mudariya.
Yes.
We are calling all 5 of them that their file is Mustatir, right?
Yes.
But only Hua and Hiya can take outside doer, not the other one.
Yes.
Right? But
Yes.
there is nothing extra attached to them. We can see, right? So then they are actually Mustatir. But then only the other 3, Anta, Ana, and Nahnu, they are the only one which are going to be called Mustatir Wujuban.
Wujuban. And the file is, who is the file there?
You tell me. Anta, we're going to say Taqdiruhu Anta.
Yes. But we don't see it at all.
Yeah, but we know that this is how it's going to look like.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So in Hua, you don't see it. But you know, okay, this is Taqdiruhu Hua.
Yes.
Right? So same way, Anta, we're going to say, yes, this is Taqdiruhu Anta. Because this is how grammarian telling us.
Okay.
That Anta is hidden in it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Interesting. Jazakallah.
Okay. Vayyaki. Okay, so now, where we were. So, yazhabna, clear. This noon is noonun niswa, and this is the file. In tazhabani, what is the time? Okay. In tazhabani, where is the file in antuma tazhabani?
The alif is
Alif
9.
is 9.
Alifu is 9, right? What is this noon?
Nunul i'rab,
What is this ta?
sign of mudare.
Perfect, right? So this is how we are going to break every letter.
Okay.
And what we will see what is the role of it. Only I'm gonna interested in tazhabina over here because that is little different. Okay. So far we see that, okay, alifu isnain, wawul jama, right? Nunu niswa. These three we saw already in Madi as well as a Damir Muttasil Marfu. Right?
Yeah.
Only one, like one sign or one Damir which is different than Fail Madi in Mudariya is this Tazhabina. Now you tell me, where is the file here?
Ya Ustada. Ya Mukhataba.
Exactly. This Ya is the file over here. Okay. Ta is sign of Mudariya. Noon is Noonul i'rab, right? And rest are the root letter Zahaba. What do we have? This Ya.
Yeah, fine. Okay.
So this Ya is the file. This is Ya is the Mir. Muttasil. Even I can say the Mir Baris. Muttasil. Fi Mahalli Rafa. And it has a name. What is the name of this Ya?
Ya mutakallim. Oh, ya
Nas.
mukhataba.
Mukhataba, not mutakallim.
No, mukhataba.
Mukhataba. Okay. What does mukhataba mean?
Jisse baat
That
One being addressed.
Yes, one being addressed. So this is the breakdown of Anti Tazhabina.
નીચે ગઈ છે
Any
ખાવાનું
question?
એ પ્લેટો ધોઈને કાઢ.
Any question?
So that is the only one, Ustada? The Ya.
That is the only one which is different in Mudariya.
Mudare. Okay.
Okay, so now the Mir Muttasil, I think it's here, yeah. The Mir Muttasil Marfu can be Alifu Isnain, Wawul Jama, Nunu Niswa, Ta, right? And then, where is, yeah, oh, it's, this is only talking about Madi, I think. Okay, then Na, Ulfailin, right? Or Mutakallimin, we can say. We are going to add Ya in it. Look like it is only talking about Madi. Right? So these are the only signs we see in Madi. In Mudariya, we're going to have Alifu Isnain, we're going to have Wawul Jama, we can have Nunu Niswa, but no Taz in Fil Mudariya, right? Rather we're going to add Ya'ul Mukhatiba over here. Right? That's all. So basically, if we add just Ya'ul Mukhatiba along with these ones, so these are the Mair Muttasil Marfu in Af'al. And we can come up with this with this word Wa-tina. Not Wa-tina. Right? So in over here, Wawul Jama, Alifu Isnain, Ta'ul Fa'il, Ya'ul Mukhatiba, and na of mutakallimin. So this na is standing for, even we can take this noon as a noon niswa as well, right? And then na.
Okay.
So these are the only damair muttasil, baris, marfu in both madi and mudari.
So in Mudari, we'll just, erase the
The
ta.
yaul mukhataba is extra, basically.
And
The
we,
rest are same.
okay. So Taul file also will be in the Mudari? Will not,
No,
right?
we don't have taul. No, I'm saying that if we add to this, because we have over here, these are only talking about fail madi.
Madi.
Right? So alifu isnain, wawul jama, nunun iswa, taul fa'il and nun. So if we just add yaul mukhatiba in this list, so then we are basically covering all madi and mudariya.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So like all the ma'ir, muttasil, marfu in madi and mudariya, we can cover them.
Okay.
So these are the only haruf we can see them as a damir muttasil. Yes.
एक ताउल फाइल किसे कह रहे हैं उसका ना ताउल फाइल
All these tas in fi'l madi, ta tuma tum, ti tuma tunna, tu.
हाँ लास्ट के हाँ ये मादी के बारे में बात करें
After
हाँ
hunna. Yeah. Okay, so this is the breakdown basically. So inshallah, we are taking time on these slides, but inshallah it's worth it, right?
Yes, Ustad. Ustad, some of the slides we don't have.
So you guys can
The
take
PDF.
a picture and share. Yeah, because I am adding some extra in this book, right? They might explain at the topic where it is topic, but we are just rushing to the topic because I see that you guys were really wanted to do that about this breakdown of this afal. So that's why I'm doing it over here, but it might come later in the book. So which one?
Marin, can you take the picture, Marin, and
Let
send?
me clean it, right? Because otherwise you won't be able to even see the.
I did this one, then I did the Zamir Barid, and the this one you already shared last time.
You guys have the slide, right?
Yes, I shared that in the group. Yes, Ustada.
Yeah, this one. Is this one? No,
this one we don't have.
Yeah.
Forget about it because this is little. I don't know if you guys think, because they are explaining in a different way, right?
I'll take it.
Yeah,
okay.
take it. Yes, okay.
Okay, with that, inshallah, I'm gonna.
There is some more slide down.
Okay, let me end and then we can inshallah take it, okay?
Okay.
So with that, we can end our session. Barakallahu li wa lakum fil Quranil Hakim wa nafani wa iyyakum bi ayati wa dhikril hakim. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifuna wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.